Stage is glowing bright for you. Let's dance beneath the purple and the blue. La 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 la, singing my song in the bubbles all day long. Wow, what an amazing view of the ocean floor. And look, 3 blue-spotted puffers swimming right past the window.
I gave you everything I had, I gave you my soul, but you left me standing in.
You are hilarious. I was so bored until you showed up.
Can you guess what is in this box?
I know I was tired back there, but this view totally makes up for it. The air smells so fresh. This is so much better than being cooped up in the tower. Look at this amazing park. I could swing here forever.
Wow, look at that! It's amazing! I can't believe how blue the water is today! Yahoo! Yeah!
Tra-la-la-la, what a lovely sunny day. The birds fly past and the breezes gently sway.
Ha ha ha! That is hilarious! Seriously though, let's sing this chorus one more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! I wonder where this river goes. Maybe we'll find some delicious berries downstream.
All right, class, eyes up here. We can see that 1 + 2 = 3. It's a fundamental rule of mathematics.
Look at me go! I'm blazing a trail through the water. Nothing can stop the sunshine.
Isn't this just the best feeling ever? I feel like I'm flying. We should do this every sunny Tuesday. Floating high up in the sky, what a beautiful sunny day. Hello there! I'm so glad you could join me here among the vines. The grapes are looking delicious today. I am so glad we decided to take the top down today. This is going to be so much fun! Bouncing high and singing bright, everything is feeling right. Come and join the happy show.
I'm a happy little worm in the sun, dancing in the orchard just for fun.
No way!
NANI?!
Oh, this is the best ride ever! I love gliding on the water. Whee!
Catching bad guys fast! Woohoo! Yeah!
Come along now, little ducks. The water is lovely and warm today.
finally got it! Oh, it's the most beautiful apple I've ever seen! Oh, the garden grows, but my spirit's low. Why must I wait?
Woohoo!
Oh, happy day, it's time for school. Learning and friends, it's super cool. Wow, wow, wow! Look at this slide. We have to go down it right now. It is going to be the most fun ever, I promise.